Now, hello, are you hearing on? Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today, I will discuss macro state and micro state. Before that, three things I will discuss, that is macro state, micro state, and thermodynamic probability. These are the definitions here. I'm discussing the definitions later. But first, explaining it with some examples. And thermodynamic probability. Three things we will explain. Macro state, what do you mean by macro state? Macro state, micro state, and thermodynamic probability, and explain with examples. Generally, this question is given. Students are coming one by one, still coming. How I will start? Who are coming late, they will not understand. Actually, due to the net problem, I am late today. Net problem is here, so I am 15 minutes late from the scheduled time. Now, let us start. Let us consider a system composed of 4 particles. One by one coming, one by one coming. Just wait 2 minutes for the students. Now we are considering a system. Come, listen very carefully. This is very important, because if you don't understand it, you have problem. You will have problem later. Let us consider, I'm starting from the one problem, then the definition will be clear for you. Let us consider, let us consider a system composed of 4 particles distributed in 2 boxes. So we are considering 4 particles which are distributed in 2 boxes. Now how we can distribute? We have 4 particles. Say we have A, B, C, D are the 4 particles. So in first box, so this is in bracket, this is the first box, this is the second box, this is the first box, this is the second box, this is the first box, this is the second box, and here also first, second, first, second. So this is first set of arrangement. In first box we are putting 0 particles, and in second box we are putting 4 particles. So we have total 4 number of particles. So how we can distribute 4 particles in 2 boxes? So what we are doing, we are putting 0 particle, that is no particle in the first box, and all the 4 particles in the second box. What is the second condition? It may be that we are putting 1 particle, we are putting 1 particle in first box and the 3 particles in the second box. So total is 4, always total is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, 0 plus 4 is 4. So in the second condition, what we can put? We can put only 1 particle, that is say particle A in the first box and B, C, D in the second box. So this is the condition. That is only 1 particle in first box and 3 particles in the second box. Third condition, it may be we are among 4 particles, 2 particles I am putting in first box and 2 particles in the second box, 2 and 2 in one box. एक box में 2 particle, दूसरा box में भी 2 particle. Fourth condition is what? We can put 3 particles in the first box and only 1 particle in the second box. So 3 particle in the first box and 1 particle in the second box. So again this is 4, and last condition is there, all the 4 particles are kept in the first box and 0 particle in the second box. So these are the 5 conditions that we can arrange. We can arrange 4 particles in 2 boxes, 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 0. So what are the possible number of arrangements of distributing 4 particles in 2 boxes? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of macrostate is 5 for such a system. So the possible number of arrangements, that is the macrostate. Here we can arrange it in 5 ways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is the total number of macrostate. Now if, say, that means what we are doing, now we are taking that the particles are distinguishable, that we are saying. Then say we have A, B, C, D, or different 4 colors of balls we have, red, yellow, green, orange, like this. So now here we are considering that if the particles are distinguishable, say the particles are A, B, C, D, then how we can arrange this in these 5 ways? We have to arrange it again. So let us consider the second. For this is now I am coming here for the microstate. What is microstate? Macrostate was the first 5 arrangements. That is how many particles in each box, the distribution, that was 5, that was microstate. Now here 0 and 4, that is the macrostate. Now under this macrostate, what will be the microstate we are finding? Let the particles are ABCD. So in first box it is 0, and in second box ABCD 4 particles are kept. 4 particles are kept at a time. So 0 and ABCD, this is the arrangement. What is the number of microstate here? 1. So no possible, the number of possible arrangement only is this. And now come to 1, 3. That is in first box 1 particle and in second box 3 particles. But which 3 particles? A, B, C, D total are the 4 particles. Now if we write the first particle A in box 1, then in second box we have to write B, C, D. If we keep B in first box, then what remains? A, C, D, that is in the second one. So see, now here C is kept in first box, then 3 remains in second, and this is the 4 particle in the first box, so this remains. So with 1, 3 composition, with 1, 3 macro state, this is the macro state 1, 3. Under this macro state, how many possible combinations are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 possible combinations are there. So for 1, 3 macro state, what are the possible number of microstates? That is 4. That is 4. Now come to 2, 2. That is 2 particles in first box and the 2 particles in the second box. This is the macro state. Now, under this, how many distributions are possible? If you put AB particles in first box, what remains in second box? That is CD. If you put AC, then remains BD in second box. So in this way, these 6 arrangements are possible under 2, 2 macro state. So what is the total number of microstates in 2, 2 macro state? So 2, 2 macro state, the total number of microstate is 6. Now the next arrangement, 3, 1, 3, 1. So 3 particles in first box and only 1 particle in the second box. So 3 particles, we are putting ABC particles in the first box. So what remains? That is D remains, and we are putting it in the second box. And in this way, 4 possible arrangements we have done. And total number of microstate under 3, 1 macrostate is 4. Now, last arrangement, that is 4 particles in the first box and 0 particle in the second box. So A, B, C, D, 4 particles in the first box and 0 particle in the second box. And no more possible arrangement is possible. And here, under 4, 0 macrostate, the total number here, the microstate is 1. So if this is the total 5 combination, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the macrostate, 0, 4 macrostate, 1, 3 macrostate, 2, 2 macrostate, 3, 1 macrostate, 4, 0 macrostate. Under each macrostate, there are microstates. For the first macrostate, only 1 microstate. For the second macrostate, 4 microstates. For the third macrostate, there are 6 microstates. And fourth macrostate has 4 microstates, and the last one, that is 4, 0 macrostate, has only 1 microstate. So this is the system. Now how many total number of microstate here? 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1. Add all these things. So total number of microstates here, it is 16. So total number of microstates here, it is 16. Now coming to thermodynamic probability. So total number of microstates accessible to a given system is called the thermodynamic probability of the system. Total number of microstates accessible to a given system is called the thermodynamic probability of the system. So for this system, that is 4 particles, distinguishable particles A, B, C, D, distributed in 2 boxes, what are the total number of microstates? That is 16. We have total number of microstates equal to 16, and that is the thermodynamic probability of the system. So here is omega. This is one symbol of omega. Be the total number of microstates. That is here. That is the sum of omega I. That is your total thermodynamic probability. That is sum of 1, 4, 6, all the microstates. That means under each macrostate, there are microstates. Now, if in a total system, the total number of microstates, that gives the thermodynamic probability. So the thermodynamic probability of 4 particles in 2 boxes, it is 16. Now, this is the question given. To find out the possible, one system will be given for you. Maybe that 3 particles in 2 boxes, it may be. 2 particles in 4 boxes, it may be. So in this way, different possible arrangements may be given. You have to find out the total number of macrostate and microstate and thermodynamic probability. Numerical you will get from here. And also definition is given, how question is given, that define macrostate, microstate and thermodynamic probability and explain with examples. So here you have to explain with this example, or anyone another example you can also give. Now that is the definition here. It is clear from here. An isolated system consisting of a fixed number n of non-interacting identical particles having a fixed internal energy and occupying a fixed space of volume is said to be the macrostate of the system. It is also called the thermodynamic state. And here the microstate is what? The number of different meaningful ways in which the total energy of the system can be distributed among its constituent particles. It is the microstate. So the possible number of arrangements of a macrostate, that is the microstate. And here, so we have 4 particles in 2 boxes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of possible arrangements, and that is the total number of macrostate is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of arrangements are 5, and the microstate, under each we have calculated. Under 0,4 macrostate, what will be the total number of microstate? Under 1,3, what will be the total number of microstate? Under 2,2, what will be the total number of microstate? Under 3,1, what will be the total number of microstate? And under 4,0, what will be the total number of microstate? So these are the 5, the total number of macrostate. And under this macrostate, these are different microstates. And if we add all these microstates, then we will get the thermodynamic probability. Then we have the thermodynamic probability. So this is very important. This example is also very important. You have to remember this one. I said that today I will discuss some problems. But before discussing problems, you have to know something, some short theories you have to know. That is Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. What are the basic postulates? Particles are identical and distinguishable. They do not have any kind of spin. They do not obey Pauli's exclusion principle. They do not obey Pauli's exclusion principle. So any state can accommodate any number of particles. The particles that obey MB statistics are called bosons. Example is ideal gas molecule. Some theories are here. This is very important. W, that is the probability. Total, that is total number of microstates. This is W, total number of microstates for a for the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. Total number of microstates for Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. Very understand it very carefully. This is the total number of microstates for MB statistics. What is N? N is the total number of particles, and what is GI? GI is the total number of states. That means that is N is particle. Remember, N is particle number and G always is the total number of states. In the previous example, when I discussed macrostate and microstate, what was the number of N here? Number of particles? Say anyone?
4.
4. So n was 4. And what are the number of boxes there?
2.
So here the value of G is 2. Understand? Now that is, this formula is much complicated here, but this type of problem you will not get. That means you will get easier problems. Now come here. Remember this one easier. W equal to factorial factorial W, that is formula is factorial n gk to the power nk by nk factorial. Now here, see, the problem is given. A gas has two distinguishable identical particles. So what are the number of particles here? A gas has two distinguishable identical particles. So two particles are there. So what will be the 2n? What is the number of n? That is 2. In kth energy level, the number of particles is 2, in which there are 3 quantum states. According to MB statistics, and the number of quantum states, that is, here you can compare just like the number of boxes. So there are 3 quantum states according to MB statistics. Find the possible number of microstates. So this is the formula, possible number of microstates. Now here, just giving by chart. See here, then I will go to the figure. First box, second box. First box, second box, third box. There are 3 boxes. And a gas has 2 distinguishable identical particles. So 2 particles distinguished. That means you can differentiate which one is A, which one is B. You can identify. So 2 particles are there. So 3 boxes or 3 states and 2 particles. We are taking the particle as AB. Now what are the possible number of distribution here? In the first box, we are putting AB particles both. Then in second box, no particle, and in third box, no particle. We have only 2 particles. We are putting in the first box or first state, that is all the 2 particles. Second and third box is empty. And again, first box and third box is empty. We are putting the 2 particles in the second box. And here we are putting the 2 particles AB in the third box, first box and second box. Now another arrangement is there, A particle in box 1, B particle in box 2, and third is empty. Then AB, then again BA, just changing this. So this is, in this way, these are the how many states are possible? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9. So 9 number of microstates are possible. So what is the answer? Find the possible number of microstates. That is, the possible number of microstates is 9 for this system. So making the chart, we can find out what will be the total number of microstates. Now, coming to, remember here, one that I discussed, that is in MB statistics. In MB statistics, condition is that, remember this is very important, in postulate it is written, in one box, more than one particle can exist. In one box, more than one particle can exist. So in any one of the box, no particles can exist, only one particle can exist, or 2 particles can exist. So 0 particle can exist, 1 particle can exist, 2 particles, 3 particles, 4 particles, any number of particles are allowed in any box. Okay, so this is for the MB statistics. And see, there we have not written AA. That is, both are A. We can't distinguish. But here we have taken it A and B because 2 distinguishable identical particles. Identical particles, that means you can distinguish. And that is 2 balls you are taking. Both are balls. That is identical. But their color is different. That is, you can distinguish. That is yellow ball and red ball. So here you can distinguish the particles A and B. So we have taken here in MB statistics, A and B are the distinguishable particles, and the postulate of MB statistics is there that in one box, more than one particle can exist. This is very, very important. More than one particle can exist. So AB, both particle we can put in one box. Now here, come to this formula. Now come to this formula. W equal to factorial n, gk to the power nk by factorial nk. Now this is total number of distinguishable particles is AB, that is n is 2. Now here gk is what? The number of boxes or number of states. It is 3 quantum states. So it is 3. And nk, actually what is happening, if we have total number of say 5 particles we have, and if we say that one particle is in the kth state, 2 particles in the lth state, so here nk, that is nk is the number of particles in kth state. Nl, what is this? Number of particles in nl state. But here kth energy level is only considered. Here only kth energy level is considered. So total number of particles in the kth energy level, that is factorial n. That is here n and nk are same, because no other states are here, only kth energy state is there. So nk equal to our n here. I can clear it from this theory. Here, come. Let n be the total number of distinguishable particles in an assembly. Out of these n particles, we consider n1, n2, n3, nk are the number of particles having energy E1, E2, E3, Ek respectively. That means we have total n number of particles. And among n number of particles, n1 number of particles has E1 energy, n2 number of particles has E2 energy, n3 number of particles has E3 energy. And G1, G2, G3, Gk, that is the total number of quantum states. So here we can write N1, E1. So N1 number of particles has E1 energy. So what is their total energy? N1, E1. N2, E2 is the total energy of N2 number of particles. This is the energy of N3 number of particles. So if we sum it, you will get the total energy. Ni, Ei, summation over I equal to 1 to k. That is total energy. This is the expression. We are dividing n number of particles with n1, n2, n3, n4 in this. And if we take the sum, n1 plus n2 plus nk is total number of particles. Now here, in that problem, in this problem, total number of particles is n and nk, just like n1. But here no other state is possible, na? Because only n1 number of particles, n1, that is kth energy level is there. So n equal to ki n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4 in this way. But here what is given? N2, N3, N4, nothing exists. Only N1 exists. N1, N2, N3, N4. That is equal to your, so that is total equal to your n. So we are not considering the remaining part. That is only N1 we are considering. And it is written as here Nk. So here n and nk equal to same. And in that condition, if n equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4, and if n2, n3, n4, nothing, all the states, that is n1 number of particles has E energy total. So here factorial n and nk, they are same here because only one energy state is there. If it is another energy state is here, that is Lth energy level, then we have to write what? One extra thing plus here. We have to plus, then factorial n gk to the power that nl by nl factorial. But we are not considering here. So here total number, the questions that we will get for your exam, that is very simplest question you will get. And here you will get n and nk is the same. That is only one energy state is there. And only one energy state is there. So nk number of particles equal to your total number n. So for simplification, what we will consider, we will only remember this one, gk to the power nk. So that will be, so 2 cancels here. So what remains? Only the formula. Gk is 3, that is the total number of quantum states, and to the power nk, that is 3 to the power 2. Nk is the total number of distinguishable particle, that is 2, and gk equal to your 3. So 3 square equal to 9. So your matches, that is the formula, and from here we are getting this one. So remember this for your, what we will remember here, the formula gk to the power nk, w equal to gk to the power nk, because maximum probability is there, you will not get any other state, and what will be the total number of particles n, that will be your nk. So these two cancels and only gk to the power nk remains. But if any other state is given, then you have to plus it again. So here it will be gl power nl factorial in this, then you have to consider. But here no need to consider. Simplest problem you will get, and here you will remember that the total number of microstates will be gk to the power nk. And remember, in MB statistics, any number of particles can exist in any box. I'm coming to another problem. Now another statistics is there, Bose-Einstein statistics. Just a minute. Now another statistics is there, that is Bose-Einstein statistics. And what is the difference with Bose-Einstein statistics and MB statistics? Here in Bose-Einstein statistics, in one box more than one particle can exist, but in one box more than one particle can exist, but the particles are indistinguishable. Remember this one, particles are indistinguishable, but that means you can't distinguish, that is A, this is A, this is B. That will be, say that 2 red balls are kept. 2 red balls you are taking, you have 3 boxes and you have 2 red balls. So 2 are red. You can't say this is red, this is yellow, not the 2 colors, only one. That is, you can't distinguish between them. So this is the condition in Bose-Einstein statistics. And so here by chart we are considering. So what are the number of particles? If it is there, 2 particles, indistinguishable particles are there, and there are 3 boxes. A and A, 2 particles are there, and there are 3 boxes. How will you distribute? So we are putting both the particles in first box, second and third is empty. Both AA are putting in the second box, first and third is empty. And here both the particles are kept in the third one, first and second is empty. A and A are the 2 kept in first box, second box, third one is empty, and this is in this way. How many possible arrangements are here? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So 6 number of microstates. So 6 is the answer. So what is the question? Question is there. 2 indistinguishable it is given, indistinguishable identical particles, same type particles, that is 2 balls, but both are red balls. So 2 indistinguishable identical particles in the kth energy level, in which there are 3 separate quantum states. According to these statistics, find out the total number of microstates. So 2 distinguishable identical particles, so we are taking as AA, and 3 number of states. So total number of microstate is 6. And what is the mathematical formula for here? Just it is written. Here for MB statistics, the total number of microstate will be nk plus gk minus 1 factorial divided by nk factorial and gk minus 1 factorial. Here as we are considering only one energy level will be given. So what will be the total number of boxes or total number of quantum states? That will be your G. So G is the number of states, and don't go to K. Don't confuse with that K. Only one energy level is there, and it is kth energy level. So we are writing GK. So Nk is the total number of particle and G is the total number of state. So here 2, so formula Nk is 2, Gk is 3, minus 1 factorial divided by Nk factorial, that is 2 factorial, Gk is your 3 minus 1 factorial. So here you can 3 plus 2 minus 1 factorial to 3 minus 1 factorial equal to your 6. So mathematically we can find out this formula is very important. You have to remember this one. You have to remember for MB statistics the total number of microstates. You have to remember for B statistics the total number of microstates. So for B statistics the total number of microstate is 6. By chart you can consider, and by mathematical formula also you can calculate. But if it is given, you have to show it both. That is mathematically you have to show, and also you have to show by chart. See here. Find the number of possible arrangements of 2 particles in 3 shells. 2 particles are in 3 shells. 2 particles in 3 shells. According to MB, BE and FD statistics, you have to find out the total number of distribution. In FD statistics, at B statistics, you can say more than 1 particle can stay in 1 box. But the particles are just like AA, that is identical particles. But in FD statistics, the difference between these two is that in FD statistics, in 1 box, only 1 particle exists. That is, it obeys the Pauli's exclusion principle, particle. This statistics, that is, in only 1 box, only 1 particle can exist. So only you can put A. You can't put both the particles, A and A here. Only 1 particle you have to put. Maximum 1 particle, either no particle or maximum 1 particle. So the number of possible arrangements, and this is the formula, or FD statistics, W equal to GI factorial by NI, GI minus NI factorial. Don't go to G, I mean that is G means the number of states and N is the number of particle. So G, there are 3 states, so 3 factorial divided by N, that is 2 factorial, and 3 minus 2 factorial. So you are getting here 3. Put the formula here, you are getting 6, and put the formula here, this and this cancels. So only remains Gk to the power Nk. So 3 to the power 2, that is 9. So 3 particles in 2 boxes, 2 particles in 3 cells. So in MB statistics, say we are taking A and B, but here B statistics are, in B statistics, they are identical particles. So it seems as both are A. And here FD statistics, the particles are totally, they are also indistinguishable. Here particles are indistinguishable, here particles are indistinguishable. Here more than 1 particle can exist, and here only 1 particle can exist in 1 box. So in this way the distribution is given. You have to show it by chart, and also you have to show it by the mathematical formula. So this is very important. So this type of problem you will get, that 3 particles in 2 boxes, 2 particles in 3 boxes, you have to know. So different problems are there. I will share the note. You will just read it. That will be careful. You will understand that. Remember, in MB statistics, more than 1 particle can exist in box. In B statistics, more than 1 particle can exist in a box. But in FD statistics,